How can you search for apps on the Apple Watch? Let me show you a couple of different tricks you can use. Most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and tips like this one. Anyways, there might be like many different apps on your Apple Watch. So you can, for example, utilize Siri and just tell it to just look up some specific application, right? That might be something that you use. Like you can literally say to open, the weather or whatever, right? And it will most likely get the job done. However, you can switch from the grid view to the list view. So on your open apps, you can change the mode like this. And the cool thing about the list view, is that it's sorted alphabetically. So if you know the name of the app that you are looking for, you can scroll through the list and you'll be able to find it with more precision because, it's sorted like that. And you can go to the letter and click on the application that you want to get into. Perhaps then you can come back to the grid view and then of course change it to that and use your Apple Watch as before, but it might at least help you to find the app. And the last method which I would use is to either add it as a complication to my watch face if I use that application a lot, or I would go to the Apple Watch app on the iPhone and check out the app layout or app view, right? And you can reorganize all of your icons on the screen of the iPhone, so it's like a larger view. It's much easier to use. So yeah, that might be a great way to just sort your applications in an order that you will in fact understand. It's not going to be the built-in default one. So that would be another way to help you find and search for applications quicker. So let me know in the comments below if I managed to help you out. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos sort of like this one, and I'll see you later.